Time falls gently into folds. No sharp edges, nothing holds. Everything just starts to bend. Soft beginnings, softened end. White as silence, slightly late. Every line begins to fade. Shapes that ask but never claim where they start or end the same. And I see it slowly sink, no resistance on the brink, like a breath that fades away, taking all the heart to gray. Like flowing fabric on quiet skin, it leans in close, it pulls me in. No more weight, just open space, like a dream